We strive to make Enscape better every day. Since version 3.0, we've achieved milestones in rendering quality, materials, assets, and workflow functionalities. But our vision is to create one Enscape for everyone. Introducing Enscape 4.0. Work intuitively with the ease and speed of a complete design and visualization workflow on Mac. Our new multi-platform solution is truly accessible with a unified experience for all Enscape users. Choose from our growing collection of assets to add human scale and enhance natural surroundings. Sharpen glossy surfaces of enclosed interior scenes and boost the quality of exports. Experience more realistic artificial lighting. Delight clients with quicker loading speeds and crisper details with the latest VR hardware compatibility. Collaborate more efficiently in shared projects in Revit. Enable even stronger interoperability between the Chaos ecosystem. Design intuitively with our sleek and refined UI for every architect, designer, and visionary. Enscape for everyone.